I guess we'll... Oh. Okay, we're playing the Curse Train 3, I guess. It was just released and it's already starting off good. Come on! Oh look, he's destroying it. Oh, James! Run by Jeff the Killer. Yeah, Thomas is run by Jeff the Killer. Oh look, he has that standard number 1. That is textured. Oh, he's destroying the monster train. He's destroying the monster train. Also, his eyes. He's normal, by the way. He is not evil, just like the past other parts. That bro. What the freak? Oh! What the? Hello? Oh look, we have another James. This time it's pulling hopper cart. It's pulling this hopper cart. Can you destroy this, Thomas?
Well, yes I can, dumbass.
Oh wait, he can. Oh shoot. But he can't destroy that pile of rocks. Haha. So what should he be saying when he is normal? Like a normal train. Wait, destroy the sign! Destroy the sign! Destroy the sign! Okay. Isn't really much to do here except run. To be honest, this is basically Fishing's game, which is basically Escape Thomas.exe. Escape Thomas.exe if it was affected by /dishings. Yeah, I'm safe. Oh my! Wait, hold up. I mean, yeah, guys, it's saved. What a nice day in my house, and all of a sudden, boom! The desert. He's pulling a milk tanker. Yeah, kill that. Oh no. So yeah, why is Tommy pulling a tanker? What's in that tanker? So let's just go on to see what we have here. We have a scrapped version of. He's chasing me now. We have a scrapped version of Henry, Bill and Ben, and he just destroyed the pyramid. Here we have this destroyed Transformer Thomas, aka Optimus Prime. We have the 3DS Thomas up there, which by the way has some of the Wii textures on it, so that's cool. We have the Oofy subway train, I think. But you gotta break the shell. He just broke the shell of this. We're in the train. Oh, he just broke the shell of the train. No, we can't get. Okay, we can apparently get out. Here we have the Skiffy train. What's in here? This is LBSC Thomas. Let's go in this teleporter to see what we can do. Oh. Okay, he's met by Henry. Clarabelle, but not Annie, and the Skiffy train. Oh, the part that started it off. All of them. Here apart from Tommy, we have Emily, Mavis, Edward. Train, I guess. That's not a subway train. SpongeBob, Gordon, James and Henry and Percy. And we got a boxcar apparently. Is there a barrier here? Uh-oh. I think he can move again. Oh no. Here. Well, what? This is a subway station. We got that's Kane, Sprunky, but Shed 17 Thomas, or at least Paul Fitz Thomas. That's VC79 and third teleporter, which is the white one. Okay, so here we have the. Oh my God!